Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi 14R and let me show you how to block a number. At first, open your phone the other. Now select more icon, click on settings, go to block numbers, and now you can either block all unknown colors or you can add some number manually by yourself. Tap on block and that's it, it has been done. Once you want to remove the blockade, mark cross icon. You can also block some particular contact of yours. Let me just go back to contact list, mark the contact that you want to block, maybe not this one, select more icon, or actually here you've got it under contact settings, mark block numbers and confirm that you want to block it. And that's it, it's enabled because I don't have my SIM card inserted, however it's working this way once you plug in the card. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.